What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Chiliz, which has pumped up just about 10% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just below the 8 cents target. So what we're going to be going through now is now the right time to buy it, or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high or how low can Chiliz go? And with 2024 just around the corner, is this a must-have crypto in your portfolio? And if so, when is the best time to invest into this crypto? But before I get into all that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Chiliz, which is here in purple at 0.06676 cents. However, it is trading at much higher value here in red at just below 8 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, literally guys, we've got the blue and the orange line both looking flat out, going in a straight line. They're not looking bullish or bearish, it's literally going in a straight line, meaning over the next 12 to 14 hours, so essentially by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, do expect Chiliz to be hovering around the 8 cents target with very minimal peaks and dips in between. So it is going to be hovering around 8 cents over the next 12 to 14 hours. Don't get me wrong, it is going to take a, we are going to see both red and green candles going up and down the 8 cents target. It doesn't mean it's going to be, fully staying at the price range. Of course not. It is going to jump up and down a little bit, but the overall outcome seems to be neutral, meaning trading around the 8 cents target by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We do have the blue and the orange line both looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected from Chiliz over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of the week, I am expecting Chiliz to have gone for an overall minimal increase in value, potentially heading towards the 10 cents target is what I'm expecting over the next 7 to 8 days from Chiliz. But again, do expect red days in between. It doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting green days heading upwards over the next 7-8 days. Of course not. Yes, the overall outcome is positive, but do expect red days in between as well, where it's likely to take a little bit of a step back, a little bit of a dip. But again, 10 cents is my target prediction for the next 7 to 8 days for Chiliz. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks still looking bullish, still looking positive, and we are not looking too steep either, meaning an overall increase in value is again expected from Chiliz over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys. So mid to late December 2023, I'm expecting Chiliz to have gone for an overall increase in value, potentially hitting around 15 cents is where I'm expecting Chiliz to be trading at by the end of the year. And guys, I am expecting the crypto market to be heading towards the positive direction for the rest of the year, which also includes Bitcoin. As if you guys have not watched my previous videos, I did predict Bitcoin to hit around $35,000 by mid to late October, which exactly when it hit that $35,000, and now I am expecting it to hit $40,000 towards the end of the year, which again, if the market goes the right direction, we should be good to go. And right now we are heading towards the right direction as well, which means If Bitcoin does manage to head up to $40,000, the whole crypto market will be on the green side, heading upwards towards a positive direction, which also includes Chiliz, which I'm expecting it to hit 15 cents by the end of the year. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, which is not a good sign. However, for us to hit the resistance target here, we're going to have to hit 18 cents, which I'm not expecting Chiliz to hit this year, but potentially Q1 to Q2 of 2024, so early next year, is when I'm expecting Chiliz to be hitting this resistance target here of 18 cents and potentially heading into the green zone towards mid next year is what I'm expecting, potentially hitting around 20 cents by mid next year is where I would put Chiliz to be hitting that target. But again guys, we have to take the dips into consideration as well, so it's not all about hitting green candles every day, every week and so on. Dips are always part of the process, so yeah, just make sure you keep that in mind as well. So getting rid of the Fibonacci scale, so for those of you asking, is now the right time to buy it? Personally, no, it isn't. Only reason is I'm expecting it to take a little bit of a drop over the next couple of days, as I mentioned earlier. And again, my buying price, if I really wanted to invest into the crypto, would be around just above 5 cents. So between 0.055 and 6 cents is where my buying price would be if I really wanted to invest into the crypto, and the selling price would be anywhere over 10 cents, as I'm expecting it to hit over the coming weeks. For example, if I had $1,000 in Chiliz, I would, if I was on a profit right now, I would probably sell 20% of it, which equals to $200, and I still have $800 left, and I would sell about another $500 if it manages to hit about 11 to 12 cents, which means I still got about $300 left, and that I would just keep it there in case it does pump up and, you know, manages to hit about 15-20 cents over the coming weeks and months as well. But if it does manage to drop back below the 6 cents target, I would reinvest, you know, about $500-600 into it. Hope that makes sense. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Chiliz. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up massively, 85% guys, making it $95 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase in trading. There's been a lot of attention around it, as it is one of the top gainers. We're seeing a lot more people investing into the crypto, as well as a lot of people selling it and taking out their profits. But yeah, that is pretty much it guys for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.